Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and in today's video I'm gonna share some tips related to learning English, and these tips are mainly gonna be for the beginners. Okay, so which tips I'm gonna share, those are mainly for beginners. Okay, and these kind of tips are really necessary for them. Why? Because if they want to learn English and if they want to be fluent in English, so they have to follow these tips on their regular basis, and these are very necessary. Okay, so let's get into the video. So my dear friends, what they should do firstly for learning English, like what they should do at the very first point or at the very first step. Okay, so in the first step they have to learn some particular and basic things, like if you have desire to learn English, if you have burning desire to learn English, so you have to learn some particular things in English. So what is the first thing, what is the first thing for learning English? So I would say that you should have to learn tenses. Yes guys, you heard it right. Why tenses? Because tenses are the main thing in English. I'm not saying that you have to learn all the rules of tenses. You have to learn all. I'm just saying that you have to learn tenses, like what kind of rules they are using, what kind of sentences they are making by the help of tenses, how they are using any tense in situations, like how they're using any kind of tense in the past situation, how they're using present tense in the present situation. So these kind of things that you have to learn for learning speaking. Guys, if you learn how to write tenses, how to form sentences, so then you would be able to speak in English. Yes guys, if you have learned tenses, so you would get to know that how you can frame sentences in English. Yes guys, if you learn tenses, you will get to know what are the main rules for making any sentence, for framing any sentence. For example, if we are going to make any present continuous tense, okay, so at that time we have to follow the rule subject plus SMR plus verb the first form plus ing plus object. Yes guys, subject, helping verb plus object. Okay, and now our sentence would be, for example, all girls are playing. All girls are praying. All girls is a subject. Are helping verb. Play verb plus ing. Playing verb plus ing plus object. Okay, so this is a kind of example. So by this you would get to know how to frame sentences by the help of tenses. If you know all the rules, you will know how to make any sentence by the help of grammatical rules. Yes guys, if you know how to make sentences, how to frame sentences, you would be easily able to make sentences, and then you would have to speak. If you really want to be fluent in English, so firstly you would have to speak in English. Yes, you heard it right. If you know how to speak in English, then you would be able to fluent in English. And my dear buddies, tenses are those kind of thing, like those kind of thing which is playing a or which is playing 85% role in English. Why? Because most of the sentences are always depend on tenses. Okay, why? Because most of the learners firstly learn about the tenses, but they don't learn tenses in exact way. Yes, guys. If you will learn tenses in exact way, then you will get to know how to talk in English. Why tenses are important? Tenses are important because you will get to know how to frame sentences. Okay? So this is the main thing. If you don't learn how to make sentences by the help of tenses, then neither you could speak nor you could write in English. Yes guys, अगर आप टेंसेस नहीं सीखते तो आप ना ही तो इंग्लिश में स्पीक करना सीख सकते हो, इंग्लिश में बोलना नहीं सीखते, और ना ही आप इंग्लिश में ऐसे लिखना सीख सकोगे. यस गाइस, टेंसेस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि सबसे पहले आप टेंसेस सीखिए. इंग्लिश के लिए, इंग्लिश को लर्न करने के लिए इंग्लिश को समझना भी ज़रूरी है. तो मैं कहूँगी कि टेंसेस को सीखो. टेंसेस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि हमारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल है, जो यहाँ से यहाँ लेकर जाती हैं. यस गाइस, टेंसेस ही एक चीज़ है जो हमारे इंग्लिश का लेवल अप से लो से अप लेकर जाएंगी. ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ लेकर जाएंगी और धीरे धीरे यहाँ, फिर ऊपर, फिर ऊपर. तो ऐसे ऐसे करके हम अपनी इंग्लिश को अच्छे से लर्न कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप तो ये हुआ, और सेकंड स्टेप क्या होगा? व्हाट वुड बी आवर सेकंड स्टेप? सो आवर सेकंड स्टेप वुड बी learn vocabulary. Why our second step would be this? Why? Because if you want to learn more and more, if you want to read some books in English, so they will contain those kind of words which are vocabulary words. So for understanding those kind of words, you have to learn vocabulary. Yes guys. तो गाइज, वोकेबलरी कैसे लर्न कर सकते हैं? तो इसका भी एक तरीका है. इंग्लिश में बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ड हैं जो कि उनका मीनिंग तो एक निकलता है, बट वो सिचुएशन के जगह पे यूज़ होते हैं. जैसे कि अलग अलग सिचुएशंस हैं, वो वहाँ पे वैसे यूज़ होंगे. ओके, अलग अलग सिचुएशन में अलग अलग वर्ड यूज़ होगा, बट उनका मतलब एक ही होगा. तो दिस is a kind of vocabulary and you have to learn it. और आप vocabulary कैसे लर्न कर सकते हो और कहाँ से लर्न कर सकते हो, इसका भी एक तरीका है मेरे पास. एक रीसेंट वीडियो मैंने डाली है, लेटेस्ट वीडियो है, इस वीडियो से पहले वाली वीडियो है. उसमें मैंने बताया है कि चैट जीपीटी को कैसे यूज़ करना है, हाउ टू यूज़ चैट जीपीटी एंड वाई शुड वी यूज़ चैट जीपीटी. बिकॉज चैट जीपीटी इज़ द main thing these days for learning everything, whatever you want to learn, whether that is a scientific field or technological. Okay, you will learn whatever you want. You just have to visit that application, then you just have to install that, and you just have to ask question to that. ChatGPT is a OpenAI tool. Okay, OpenAI, artificial intelligence. So you could go there and you could ask your questions. Okay, so if you have one word, so you could ask to ChatGPT, could you tell me 5 words related to this word? Could you tell me 5 words related to word common? अभी आपको common word के 5 sentences 5 वर्ड्स ऐसे ढूंढने हैं जो कॉमन वर्ड से रिलेट करते हैं. कॉमन वर्ड का एक होगा यूबिक्विटस, सिमिलर भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो ये सिनोनिम्स है. तो अगर आप चैट जीपीटी को कहोगे कि कॉमन के 5 सिनोनिम्स मुझे दो, तो वो सिचुएशंस के अकॉर्डिंग आपको सिनोनिम्स देगा. अगर आपको सिचुएशंस के अकॉर्डिंग लेने हैं, पर्टिकुलरली आपको सिचुएशंस के अकॉर्डिंग चाहिए, तो आप चैट जीपीटी को मेंशन करोगे, गिव मी सम synonyms of word common according to 5 situations. तो चैट जीपीटी आपको 5 synonyms देगा वर्ड कॉमन के, वो भी situations के अकॉर्डिंग, और वो situations को भी एक्सप्लेन करेगा. सो आज के युग में चैट जीपीटी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे कि आप इंग्लिश को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से घर बैठकर लर्न कर सकते हो. And ChatGPT is that kind of application which is totally free. You don't have to pay any kind of penny. You don't have to pay a single penny for it. You could use ChatGPT without spending a single penny. Okay guys, so you could learn by the help of ChatGPT. So these two steps are main for learning English. So the first step is tenses, and in tenses you have to learn grammatical rules. Then you would have to speak sentences whatever you formed in English. Okay, सो जो भी आपने इंग्लिश में सेंटेंसेस लर्न करे हैं, जैसे कि आपने आज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट सीख लिया, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट के रिलेटेड सेंटेंसेस चैट जीपीटी पर जाओ, उसको कहो कि 10 एग्जांपल्स दो मुझे प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट की जो कि सिंपल हो, बिगनर लेवल की. ओके, गिव मी 10 एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट एज एन बिगनर लेवल. तो आपको 10 एग्जाम्पल्स मिल जाएंगी बिगनर लेवल के लिए, इंग्लिश को लर्न करने के लिए. देन यू वुड हैव टू स्पीक दोज 10 सेंटेंसेस अगेन एंड अगेन. आप उनको बार बार रिपीट करोगे जब तक कि आपको अंडरस्टैंड ना हो जाए. यू वुड स्पीक दोज सेंटेंसेस until you will understand those sentences. जब तक आपको वो समझ नहीं आ जाते तब तक आपको वो बोलते रहना है. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video, and if you like my video please subscribe my channel and click on the like button, and please share my video as much as you can, because this would be a kind of support for me, and if you will support me that would be very beneficial for me, and I would get to know, yes, you guys are learning something from my videos. Thank you, and follow for more.